Are you looking for the best laminate floor vacuums? In this video we will look at some of the best laminate floor vacuums. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect. The best vacuum for laminate floors we've tested is the Dyson V15 Detect. This cordless stick vacuum comes with two floor heads, one with a bristled brush roll for better performance on carpets and the other with a fluffy brush roll for improved debris pickup on bare floors and a laser light to help identify fine debris. With its fluffy floor head, this vacuum delivers remarkable performance on flat surfaces like laminate flooring. In addition, it has a particle detection system that can provide a rough estimate of allergen quantities in your home. There's also an automatic power adjustment system that automatically increases its suction power on carpeted floors. The battery performance is decent. You can expect an hour of continuous use in its energy-efficient eco mode. However, the runtime drops drastically in its high-power boost mode. Unfortunately, the vacuum feels somewhat cheap and plasticky, which is disappointing for something in this price range. While it's far from a heavyweight, you can get a vacuum with a similar range of features in an even smaller and lighter package with the Dyson V12 Detect Slim. Unfortunately, it has a less powerful motor than the V15 and a much smaller dustbin that must be emptied very often. Number 2. Shark Stratos Cordless. If you're looking for something more affordable than the Dyson V15 Detect, the Shark Stratos Cordless is a good choice. It's heavier and bulkier than the Dyson. That said, it is cheaper and comes with an impressively broad range of features. Like the Dyson vacuum, it has an automatic suction power adjustment feature, with its Clean Sense IQ system increasing its suction power when passing over an area with a large amount of debris. Its twin roller floor head and relatively potent suction motor allow it to easily clear away debris on hard surfaces like laminate floors. This vacuum can run for up to an hour on a single charge, which is fairly good for a cordless vacuum, though it does take quite a while to recharge. You can watch the remaining battery life with the LED at the back of its body. The Shark Stratos is on the heavier and bulkier side for a cordless stick model, but its flexible wand makes it much easier to clean under most tables and chairs since you won't have to crouch very deeply when cleaning these areas. Clean Sense IQ, infrared sensor detects the dirt you can't see and automatically increases power, giving you up to 50% better dirt pickup. The Clean Sense IQ indicator visually shows when floors are clean. Versus Shark Stratos Cordless in Eco Mode. Number 3. Tineco PURE ONE S11. Check out the Tineco PURE ONE S11 if you want a more affordable vacuum to handle debris on laminate surfaces. Compared to the Shark Stratos Cordless, it feels less sturdy and has a lower capacity battery, resulting in a shorter max runtime of about 40 minutes. That said, it'll still do a fantastic job of handling everything from pet hair to small and large debris on hard surfaces like vinyl or laminate flooring. Like the Shark, it's also equipped with an automatic power adjustment feature. The vacuum will increase its suction power when passing over an area with a large concentration of debris. Unlike the Stratos, the Tineco has a single roller floor head with conventional bristles. Thankfully, those bristles are soft enough so they won't scratch up more delicate surfaces. Better yet, the brush roll is completely removable, which makes it much easier to clear away any tangled hair compared to the Stratos non-removable roller. Featuring iLoop Smart Sensor technology, PURE ONE S11 detects hidden dust and debris and auto-adjusts suction power in real time, for up to 2x longer runtime and complete cleaning confidence. High-performance, ultra-quiet digital motor delivers 130 W of strong suction. Clean quietly with less disturbance to family and pets. Up to 40 minutes runtime, PURE ONE S11 is perfect for uninterrupted whole house cleaning. Number 4. Wyze Cordless Vacuum. The Wyze Cordless Vacuum is a solid option if you're shopping for a vacuum at a lower price point. It may not have the Tineco's automatic power adjustment feature, but it does deliver fairly strong performance for a cordless model in this price range, easily clearing debris on hard surfaces like laminate flooring. The bristles on its floor head aren't too stiff either, so you don't have to worry about scratching up your laminate flooring. Its included HEPA filter, another rare addition for a vacuum at this price point, does a good job of sealing in allergens. Unfortunately, you must worry about the fine grit that can be released when emptying its dustbin. It can run for up to an hour in its most power-efficient mode, so you can clean large quantities of lightweight debris without running out of power. The battery pack is also fully removable and replaceable, so you can swap in a new one if your current pack's performance degrades over time. This vacuum's lightweight design makes it a cinch to pick up and carry from room to room. As light as a feather, the Wyze cordless vacuum weighs in at just 2.8 pounds. It's so lightweight that it can reach everywhere in the house. Despite this light weight, it doesn't skimp on power. 20,000 Pascal suction power. Wyze stick vacuum cleaner offers 3 suction levels: Eco, Medium, and Turbo. Turbo mode has the most suction power. Number 5. Eureka Mite. The best vacuum cleaner for laminate floors at a budget-friendly price point that we've tested is the Eureka Mite. Despite its highly affordable price, this simple bagged canister vacuum has a powerful 12-amp motor. Its straight suction floor head has bristles you can retract, enabling you to clean low-pile rugs. That being said, the head does sit very close to the ground, so it does tend to push around bulkier debris. You'll have a better experience if you lift the vacuum onto this kind of material. Its simple design makes it easy to maintain, and the vacuum's lightweight plastic construction makes maneuvering it in tight spaces a breeze. However, this vacuum doesn't have a telescopic wand. Instead, it uses a pair of tubes that can fall apart easily if you don't push them together very tightly. Some versions of the Mite might lack the requisite mounting points for an aftermarket HEPA filter, which is disappointing if you want to upgrade its filtration performance. It also has a very short power cord, so cleaning hard-to-reach areas can be a hassle compared to a cordless model like the Wyze cordless vacuum. Dust cup capacity, 2.5 liters. Lightweight and life-table conveniently, the lightweight vacuum cleaner at less than 9 pounds. Allows you to carry it around the whole house, specific uses of floor. Powerful cleaning, the 12 amps motor provides continuous, powerful suction for deep cleanings. Blower port, conveniently blows away dirt and debris to clean garages and outdoor spaces easily. Multi-surface cleaning tools, a crevice tool, dual-purpose dusting brush and upholstery nozzle to clean the hard-to-reach areas in your house. Messy-free dust bag replacement. With the replaceable dust bag, collected dust and pet hair can be easily cleaned without any touch with the messes. Extension wands. The extension wand provides extra long cleaning reach to remove dirt in high ceilings or hard-to-reach places.